guys, I was feeling a little weird about driving with this thing on my head, but now I think I don't mind because we're vlogging and vlogging is cool. People are walking around with a lot of other crazy shit on their heads, so I don't feel as bad doing this. But you know, we're out here. GoPro head cam. Ooh, I think I just saw another Sub. Oh, blue STI. Nice. Could have been a WRX. Still respect. So yeah, guys, out for another ride here. Just cruising. Would love to start a YouTube channel or a live stream channel. Trying to start something, hopefully. Just got the GoPro for the birthday. Most of you guys on IG, I know, have not had the chance or the opportunity to meet me, obviously. So this is me. My name is Keith, 617 STI. A lot of you might have seen me on there. So yeah, it's just a quick cruise around town here. So always looking for fellow Subi enthusiasts to, you know, possibly come out. Let's get a ride going. Something I definitely want to do. Just a massive Subi ride once Corona ends. Definitely get the Subi grumbles alive. But yeah, guys, like I said, this is me. Quick ride in the car. Let me know if you guys think I should keep doing these or what you think. All right, bye bye.